Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Newly discovered bacteria-related disease puts Jamaican women at serious risk. Untested and underreported bacteria-related sexual transmitted infections are at the root of many reproductive and vaginal health issues affecting mothers and their newborns. And according to one microbiologist, there is a particularly overlooked bacteria-related sexual transmitted disease that may be causing the infertility and other serious complications in women locally. My viewers and subscribers, there's a reason why I bring up this, because other day, I see it in the article, them a say, I told the woman and man them bleach them skin and whatever, make no babies now born. Me not even did broadcast it because I don't believe that. Literally. I don't believe that one bit. You understand? This have more understanding of it, of what is going on. Yeah? A lot of the time, it's the sexual transmitted disease. Or the disease them what them have. Where the man give the woman and the woman give the man. Well, where the woman them have. You understand? That can cause infertility. Let me tell you now. So when I sit there and run out other day and I say, oh, I chew their skin bleach their skin and whatever. I say, where them I go with this here? Where them I go with this? And it's more like the something there make them now, because when they realize say the woman them now have babies no more. When you talk truth, I can't call the word over here. You understand? But you must know what me I talk about. Other day when we did go through the little hiccup. When we did go through the little hiccup other day, yeah, a lot of people did run out and go get that something there. Right. And that's something that cause it. You hear me? That's something there. Because before everything was okay. So how after a sudden now, yeah, them must say, I told the man them skin bleach. I told the man them and woman them skin bleach. That's why no babies now born. Wanna read between the lines, my viewers and subscribers. Read between the lines. Notice from when Jamaican then realize that the woman they not have enough babies. Notice it's just recently. And what happened recently? Why? Only tell me if you understand, I can't call the word, because even if I give a hint, I will problem. You understand? So, yeah, what you know happened recently? Because whole heap of places for lockdown. One bag of something, people for stay home. Right. Yeah? I know so I get it now. Right there, so. And there's something there where them get. It cause the whole of this. You hear me? It cause the whole of this. You understand? Listen, some people don't understand. These things when they all run go get, listen, at the wrong move. That was a wrong move. You understand? Me and nurse, I don't even do that. I don't even get that. You understand? Because I stand my grounds and I say, no, I'm not getting that. You understand me? But my viewers and subscribers, it is more, yeah, more of the disease, which we know say that happened for a long time, and nothing new. So when I don't know what Jamaica did there, when them come out and I say, oh, sexual transmitted disease. Sexual transmitted disease cause infertility for a long time. I don't know. Long time. So I don't know what them research I do from Wapikill Philip. From a long time. You understand me? And a lot of people need to learn more about them body. A lot of women and men also. Because they have some women there with a man too, you know. They were there with a man for a long time, you know. And they must say, oh, they can't get pregnant, they can't get pregnant. But notice, as the minute they left that the man and they with somebody else when they look baby. So a lot of men think the problem is the woman when the problem is not even the woman. You understand me? I have to make it clear. Majority of the time of the man them. You understand my viewers and subscribers? Majority of the time. But this is the reason why I did want to bring across this. Because when they were saying about skin bleaching and stuff like that, I was like, no. Why they trick the people? You understand? It never have nothing to do with that. But when you tell me one thing still and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. The worst law, a former ECJ head wants political ombudsman functions removed from commission. Wanna hear that, my viewers and subscribers? A former ECJ, the former chairman of the Electoral Commission of Jamaica, ECJ, Professor Errol Miller, is calling for the repeal of the absurd, unworkable, impractical law that subsumed the political ombudsman functions into the commission. He says it's the worst electoral since independence. Listen to me. This a money attack truth. Full truth, this a money attack. But the question when I want to ask Professor Errol Miller. Professor Errol Miller, the time when Andrew Holness, Delroy Chuck, Juliet Holness, the whole of them come out and run with it. And Mark Golding, the opposition stand up and I said this is dangerous for Jamaica. How you never come out them the time there? Them the time there was the time when Mark Golding need the strength. Jamaica need the strength at that time. Every day the bloggers them out and I try to explain to it and say this is dangerous because when Andrew Holness them a put this in place, my viewers and subscribers, I told them want TV election. And that's the trick where people now get to understand because they say if the political ombudsman was independent, you see the whole of the casa where did that happen, the political ombudsman wouldn't be the one who step in and said no, this is wrong, Jamaica Labour Party. This is wrong and things cannot be done like this. You understand? Political ombudsman was the person who would come out if they were independent. But you notice before election, few days before election, you notice what happened? Delroy Chuck, Mark Golding never know nothing about this political ombudsman. ECJ taking over the political ombudsman. Mark Golding never have any idea, my viewers and subscribers. Me come out and me show that over. You understand? He then bring it in a parliament for table out. Remember, you know, opposition leader no know nothing about it, you know. Then bring it to him in a parliament on the CMD, you know. Table out report on the CMD, you know. You see? You see what they for table there, you know, rat in whole table. You see that door? How Juliet Holness have 2 reports sit down pan. Never table them. But come up with something when opposition leader never know about. First, you might hear that few days before election. Then come in a House of Parliament. Bring it across to Mark Golding. And I tell Mark Golding, say, the ECJ are going to take over the role of a political ombudsman. You understand? And they want Mark Golding to agree. And Mark Golding said, no, he is not agreeing to it because it is a dangerous part for Jamaica. Yeah, and it was true. You understand me? And what them do? And Mark Golding said to them, say, you have to give them time to think about it, to read through it. Can never get no information, no paper, nothing. So I have to look through it. And what happened? The next day, they'll write Chuck. And one of them come in a House of Parliament. And still come in and implement it. Yes, they never care what the opposition leader have to say. That's why I said to you, say, Jamaican people, Mark Golding come out and enough Mark Golding a do. But you Andrew Holness and the Prime Minister, them and the government, they do as them like. You know why? Because nobody now go out and have Mark Golding back. Nobody now run out and protest. Nobody now run out and protest. I'm tired for tell you no. I'm tired for come here and tell you no say. The power is in the hands of the people. And if you don't touch a road, as so things are going to work. Take it to the streets. But you don't understand. You just not understand, my viewers and subscribers. You get me? So what this man come out and say is the truth and the worst law for true. And the worst law. But when me I say the Mark Golding and the Jamaica people needed a strength at that time. But nobody came out. Only the bloggers them. Only the bloggers them. Differently from the opposition leader side. You know, they come out and then did a talk about it. But different from the bloggers them every day. I never forget, you have Wayne Lonesome, Talk Your Mind TV, you have Andre, you have Jamaica Carlos, you have producer with a lot of them. Aromatic, everybody come out and I show uno the levels. You understand? I show uno, I take them time. Ratigan, I teach uno. Everybody come out and I say, Jamaica, look into this no man, but uno not see. So what I'm saying, it is a good thing. This man coming out. Yes, we need to come out and talk about it because this is a dangerous part. Because guess what? I couldn't understand what was the rush about the political ombudsman within the ECG. I didn't understand why them a rush it. Why they never wait till after election. Why them never wait till after the election, my wisdom warriors? That's why I try to show you. It was, then did I rush it? And when they rush, they never did rush. You see the way all them rush and table out the report. CMD, Mark Golding, and no, you know, they come in and tell Mark Golding what them are going to do. Yeah? Table out report. And they have proper report in there. We are waiting for table out. Juliet, ignore that. You see, Juliet, you figure out prison, you know. You figure out prison. You and your man figure out prison. You know good for Jamaica. You know come for frig up Jamaica. And a lot of Jamaican can't see. And then you have some little idiots that come over my channel. I come hey, me no want no over here, you know. Today is Sunday, you know. And me no want no over my channel. I write rubbish, you know. You understand? Because you no do research. You only a hearsay. Hearsay can't go court. You learn to know things for yourself. And start listen to people. And then everything Andrew come tell you know the truth. A pure lie that man come talk. Pure lie the man come tell. You know if you go do no research and then you know we find out. No for you no have no sense. This is why me blaze the fire part you more while. Because me want to know if you have understanding. But guess what? Me can't push water up the hill. You understand? Me cannot push water up the hill. Me only can encourage you know. You understand? That's all me I try to do. Make you no see sense. Listen, when Andrew Holness win, me was the one cheering for Andrew Holness. You understand? And I say, yeah man, show him young and stuff like that. You know, yes, and you know the life. I don't know how people struggle according to him. Anyway, when me start to pray the whole thing and me do research, me I say, bombard. You know, so this a man I take with the idiot. Me get, listen, if you put the die-hearted aside, I bet if you put the die-hearted aside, you get rid of Andrew Holness quicker. I bet if you put the die-hearted mentally aside, you know we are right in Jamaica. I bet you know, but no for you have wisdom. Me know say not everybody born with it, but me I tell you, say go beg God for some wisdom, no, and some knowledge, no, and some understanding, no, green people, because you know allow Andrew Holness to get away with so much, and then you have some people turn up and talk about Mark Golding. Mark Golding not attack nothing. Mark Golding not tell the truth. And no for uno can't see. But me know say no for uno no. Say Andrew a liar. No for uno green people. But you wanna shame like a dog. No for uno shame like a drunk crow. It's just the truth. It's just the truth. I mean I care who want vex. Because me here to speak for the voiceless and talk on the behalf of my country. You understand? Me not gonna know say something wrong. Me not gonna know something wrong and put up with foolishness. That is just like having a child and know that your child is doing wrong and put up with it. I'm not one of those people. You understand? I'm not going to do that. And as like Mr. say Andrew Holness out fit on Jamaica in a republic. Me telling you that already. And then him a go be president. And Juliet a go be the prime minister. And I think say a joke thing. Una, hey, me sorry for you. You come like you forget everything what Andrew Holness do in a pandemic. And Mark Golding change all of that. Mark Golding change the whole of that. I don't know that. And the thing say, Andrew just have a change of heart. Now listen to Andrew. And Mark Golding depending in case PP clock making change. You hear me? So you did here, I think say Andrew is the best. Andrew is not good for Jamaica. Andrew not good for Jamaica. You can't see that. So the man come out and talk about the political ombudsman. We know it was wrong. But you not even understand the word. You don't even understand the term. You understand? Me say we do know a little bit. Because you don't have no understanding. But you don't look stupid. When you not talk something. And you don't know. You look like an idiot, bro. You look like an idiot. Go do no research. Go do no research. And you have enough propagandists, blogger, me I tell you, come out and tell pure lie. Literally lie. You understand? Tell pure lie upon the opposition leader. For what reason? I do not know. You understand? Pure lie. How can you come and tell lies? How can you come and tell lies? Me tell you already, you know. Anytime when you hear me say nothing, I mean I say allege. I saw it go. But when you hear me say allege, that mean I'm not sure of it. So me have to use the term for back up. But when I hear them people, they come out, they tell pure lie upon the opposition leader, and I'm like, what? Girl, are you wicked, sir? Because majority of women are do it. Girl, are you wicked, sir? What if opposition leader know if you do what Christopher Tufton say I'm going to do? Can no founder get excited when Christopher Tufton run out and say, "Boy, lawsuit"? What if Mark Golding fit do that? You would have piss and shit up on yourself. No for on a girl blogger. Where they pan here going like you know and this Mark Golding. And you know say Mark Golding is a man of integrity. No for on to go away. No for on to move and go away from yes, sir. Yeah, 1 and 2 times me have to blaze on you know. You know on the damn self. You know on yourself. Me have to call on your name. Because you tell lies. You so wicked, man. Oh, so wicked. Bombard. Yo, Janu, only God alone. Me say if God did stay like man like one time, no for to get frig, man. Real thing. It's just the truth. My viewers and subscribers, me hear some blogger come out, me no know. You know, some of them was activists. Some of them usually in at the party. You understand? And through they get them weird. Them come out and create this narrative and tell lies. You can't do stuff like that. You cannot do stuff like that. Don't do that. Don't tell lies. And people, when they know so nothing no go so, I create a narrative, I cause problem. You understand? It is not nice. That means when you come out and you look nice and act intelligent and sound intellectual, but you know dark shit. No for dark shit. My viewers and subscribers, really and truly, sometimes you have to burn them out. You understand? Because you see me is a woman of truth and rights. Me is a woman of truth and rights. They can't come and call my name, you know. Because they know so everything when me say is true. Them know that. Them know that. You understand? They know so everything me come out and say is true. Because guess what? Me do my research. All the Samoa agreement. When of them need to come out and talk, they don't talk. All the Samoa agreement. You know how much money Andrew get for that Samoa agreement? Only thing say when Andrew signed that Samoa agreement, it's a good thing he did. For Jamaican people, you cannot go around and assign with Jamaica to places. 20 years, you don't do signing like that. You can, when you assign now, assign for 20 years, what you give them? What you tell them? We don't even know that. It is not nice. It is not a nice thing to do. My wisdom warriors, me I go show a small clip with Mark Golding in a House of Parliament. I explain to them about the political ombudsman and tell them say he never see this a paper yet. Then can't come to House of Parliament, bring something to House of Parliament, table it out in a 1 day, and want implement it in a 1 day. Listen, you not just take in Mark Golding.
Words of the Minister of Justice seeking support for this bill. And the truth is that this idea of reposing the responsibilities that were vested in the office of the political ombudsman under the Principal Act, reposing them in the Electoral Commission in some way, has been promoted for some time. And indeed, I believe members on this side had at times indicated that that was a good idea. But with the passage of time, I must say that, speaking for myself, I have grave misgivings about it. First of all, I'm going to speak about the process by which this bill is coming here. We have not been sent a copy of this bill. We're seeing it for the first time when it's tabled this afternoon.
My wisdom warriors, when you hear what Mark Golding just say, at first them a see it. When you hear, okay, remember this was few days before election. Listen more.
I don't know whether there are errors in it. It's repealing and amending numerous provisions in the Principal Act. We have seen where bills that have been pushed through here before have errors in them and are going to have to be fixed by subsequent legislation. We're seeing it with the firearms legislation, and indeed we're seeing it with the other amending bill that was tabled by the Minister with responsibility for transport today, the Road Traffic Reprieve and Nullification of Prescribed Notices Amendment Act 2024, which is seeking to correct things in the Principal Act passed a year ago, the Road Traffic Reprieve and Nullification Prescribed Notices Act 2023. So something like this should not be tabled and passed on the same day. because we should need to have a chance to look at it more carefully. Secondly, this impacts the Electoral Commission of Jamaica, and matters to do with electoral law have been approached in a bipartisan way for the last 30 or so years in this country, 40 years. For good reason, because we come from a history of intense partisanship in our politics, which has at times spilled into the realm of violence. And we have tried our best as a nation to evolve away from that. And the Electoral Advisory Committee, which has, through various iterations, become the Electoral Commission of Jamaica, which subsumes the Electoral Office of Jamaica, has built an enviable reputation for its expertise and its independence. And the reason why that has happened is because of the approach, the convention, so to speak, by which both political parties have operated in relation to that institution to try and ensure that as much as possible things proceed in a bipartisan way. Therefore, if you are going to proceed with legislation to integrate the political ombudsman's office or functions through legislation into the ECJ, surely there ought to have been some bipartisan discussion on the specific provisions that you are bringing to Parliament. There has been none. Secondly, what I've heard the minister say is that they are to function as a political ombudsman as an indivisible body. Now, I believe there are 9 ECJ commissioners. 9. This is like the US Supreme Court, which has 9 justices on it when it sits. Does that mean that when a dispute has to be adjudicated, all 9 have to be present? There are no regulations governing the procedure for the adjudication of these matters. This piece of legislation doesn't have anything in it about the adjudication procedure that they will be obliged to follow to comply with the rules of natural justice, but also to allow them to operate with some efficiency, given that there are 9 of them. If one is absent, does that mean a hearing can't be held? Or 2? There are no procedures to govern how they operate, and it should not come here without those procedures being part of it, because those procedures will themselves be contentious, or could be, and ought to be something that there is bipartisan support for. This bill here says nothing about how this indivisible body of 9 commissioners will operate in practice and in law when a matter comes before them where 2 or more persons in the political fray have had a dispute of one sort or another in the heat of the electoral process. So I don't think this is ready. I don't think it's a good idea, and I cannot support it. The process is wrong. We were not involved in the development of this bill. We never had a chance to look at it. We do not know if it has errors or not. And in principle, I think it's going down a dangerous route. And I acknowledge, Minister, that in the past we may have supported this idea. But with the passage of time and the discussions that we've had, especially recently internally, at our executive and so on, we have a grave concerns that this is not the right approach to be taking. And I don't like the idea of us having a difference of view in this forum on a matter like this, because that's not how we've operated in relation to the ECJ in the past. So it really pains me to having to be saying these things. But I have no alternative, because I hold these views strongly, and I think I'm right in principle, and I have to articulate my position on it. So, Mr. Speaker, I cannot support this legislation, either because from the point of view of the process by which it got here, which is deeply flawed, and because substantively I think it's a wrong approach. It's a dangerous approach, and it will not inure to the benefit of Jamaica's electoral system. I thank you.
My wisdom warriors, you see that though? You hear what Mark Golding say? The man said it is dangerous, and that is a dangerous path. You understand? So these are the things that I try to tell you now. Even though Mark Golding stand up and he explain the procedure, and he say you have to give them time and all these things, Andrew Holness never care, he care less. Him and Delroy Chuck come back in a parliament the next day and still pass the law. You understand? The way they run Jamaica is that Jamaica is republic already. You understand me? So you see them thing when them talk about invisible political ombudsman. I wonder if a Juliet only she. Listen, we have to read between the lines and my viewers and subscribers. Members say she are the one we always go down at the electoral office. And I remember during the election, she are the one will go down there when them a check off ballot box. So I wonder if she a part of the political ombudsman. You understand? My wisdom warriors, we have to listen. We have to look through this, carefully, We have to look through things carefully. You understand? It was a bad decision. It was a bad idea. It was going down a dangerous path. According to Mark Golding, this is what he said. And when me do my research and look into it, he is right. He is right, my viewers and subscribers. And it is wrong. They only do it because election did come and Andrew did want somebody in there so they can thief the election game. And that happened. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you have a happy Sundays. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And big up on the nice clean self.